It is time for a packing video. I am leaving tomorrow to go to Fort Lauderdale ahead of my cruise that I have the following day. It's a 3-night cruise on the Celebrity Ascent. Then I'm leaving from there and flying to Detroit to go to the office there. And I have a little bit of work to do. So I have an outfit that's going to double as a cruise outfit and a work outfit. And even if it doesn't double as a cruise outfit, we're going to make it work anyway. So come along and let's get packing. Hi, I'm Christy. Welcome back to my channel. So as I've stated, we're packing for a Celebrity Ascent. It's a 3-night cruise. Celebrity is a premium cruise line, and so you can't wear shorts to dinner. So I do need to keep that in mind when I'm dressing. It has to be a little nicer. I do cruise Disney quite a bit, also Royal Caribbean, and in both those lines, you can dress really quite casually if you'd like. Obviously, they don't want you to wear like tank tops. I mean, sleeveless shirts for ladies are fine, but tank tops or super casual clothes. But there's nobody at Disney really stopping you unless you're trying to wear a bathing suit to the dining room from arriving and wearing whatever you want. So here is what I've already put together. Will all of these things fit in our luggage? This will be the question. And the question is, as I've stated, is it gonna fit? So it's a little bit tricky because in my suitcase, we're gonna show you that in a second, but I'm gonna show you what I've packed. But in my suitcase, I have a few things that I have to take to Michigan after this cruise. And so it's taking up some of my suitcase and we're doing carry-on only. So it'll be interesting to see how we do. There's a few things that I have to actually pack that's already packed in the suitcase that has to come with me to Michigan. And so that's taking up space. And then I will have my bigger away carry-on and my backpack as my personal item. I always shove my handbag in my backpack when I'm going through to get on the plane, which just cracks me up because as soon as I get on the plane, I take it out of the backpack. But you know, we're not going to worry about that. But let's go through my things and see what I've landed on. So for daytime, I have 2 t-shirts and 2, I was going to say skirts, but it's not really a skirt. I mean, I put shorts under it, so it becomes a skirt, but they're really skirts. So I have 2 t-shirts and 2 skirts. So these are coming. I have, and because I'm doing carry-on only, we're just kind of going with it. But this is sort of my dress that I take. It's Vineyard Vines, and I actually got this at Walt Disney World. And if you buy it in like, I believe I bought it either at the Contemporary or at the Polynesian, but if you buy it there, you get 20% off. This has been a cruise staple for probably 4 years at least now. I wear it on most of my cruises, so this is going to be my dressier dress. I'll put a little jewelry on with it, dress it up a bit. She's just going to lay here. She's just going to lay here in the bottom of the suitcase, and we're going to pack all the other stuff around. Then I have this outfit that it's like I'm wearing pajamas. This Costco shirt, and I honestly don't know where these like culotte, it's the worst, type pants are from, but I'm going to insert a picture here. And this is the most comfortable outfit in the history of outfits. And I'm not ashamed at all that I'm wearing my pajamas. They're not really pajamas, but on the cruise. And then this is my outfit that I'm doubling as workwear and also as cruise wear. This shirt is Lily Pulitzer, and I also bought this at a Disney resort with my 20% off. And I absolutely love it. It was a ridiculous price for a shirt, but I decided it looks cute and it's fine. And then I have these pants that I kind of want to say are from Costco. Almost every bottom that I own is from Costco. So there you go. And then as of right now, it is going to be 45 degrees when I land in Detroit. And so I have a sweatshirt. Because it's not like I'm going to bring a whole coat on a cruise. But it's going to be cold every morning. And I am not there for, I don't appreciate any of that. Okay. Then we have workout wear. I need workout stuff for when I'm in Detroit as well. So I have that. I actually have my long sleeve. I love this shirt, tech shirt from the Disneyland half. So I'm going to bring that as just a casual long sleeve. I do need to grab a sweater. So I'm going to grab a sweater to wear like over things. This is a new bathing suit that I purchased. Look at how cute it is. I absolutely love it. I love this pattern. I want to say that this is also Tommy Bahama. Look at how cute it is. Oh my God, this little skirt and then the shirt, and it's got ruffles, and I absolutely just love it to pieces. I mean, look at this. Look at how cute it is. Let's see. Yeah, it is Tommy Bahama. It was kind of expensive, and there is a cover up that I love with it, but I don't think on this trip the cover up gets to come because luggage space is at a premium. I am bringing one more swimsuit. This one's not as cute. It's very basic, but because I'm hoping that we're going to spend a couple of days by the pool. Workout shorts, shorts for under things like underskirts, dresses, sports bras, cover up that I can just wear each of the days. Shoes. So let me take these out of the bag. So I bag all my shoes because shoes are disgusting. Like there's literal things still at the bottom of these shoes. But look at, these are my cute Disneyland half shoes that I got this year. I mean, look at those laces. And look at the design on the inside. Oh my gosh, I just love these so much. But these are narrower. So I have some other shoes that just seem wider. So I figured that these are a little bit more compact. I have these to wear to work out on the ship, and then in just to have a pair of shoes in Michigan as well. Although I do have running sneakers there, so whatever, I can decide what I want to do. Okay, other shoes that are coming. These are going to be my casual everyday shoes. My Birkenstocks, I love them because they have a little iridescent. So see, I can buy Birkenstock and I can also buy pants at Costco. I can do it all. Okay, in terms of dressy shoes, we're not going to judge these because they're not that dressy, but they're going to have to be fine for today because I just don't have much luggage room. But these are Dansko, and when I was pregnant, they were the only shoes that would fit my feet because I could use these little Velcros and my feet just got really wide. But they're cute enough and they are comfortable, and I don't have room for shoes. And the rest of my clothes are super casual, so I feel like these shoes are going to be fine for it. I also have flip-flops for the pool, of course. And then I have slippers. I don't know if these slippers, because see how much room they take. They're from Isotoner, which obviously sounds very old and very ridiculous. But honestly, they are so squishy and comfortable and amazing. And I have zero regrets about my Isotoner slippers. We're just going to not judge the Isotoner slippers. However, because I do like slippers in my cruise cabin, don't like to wear my outdoor shoes in my cruise cabin because I feel like I can keep the floor slightly clean for the week I'm there. I don't want to think about it too much, but I like clean feet when I get out of the shower. So I'm going to have these clean shoes for out of the shower. If they don't fit though, I have these like little booty slippers and I will just wear those because this might not fit because this luggage situation is a concern. Other things that we have packed or that we will pack. This is our Disney Cruise Line wet dry bag. I will actually store my hat in here because I do try to keep like dirty stuff out of the edge of the luggage, and this hat's not clean. And it won't be clean at the end. But I love this wet dry bag. It'll work obviously at the end of the cruise if I have wet bathing suits still. I have lots of wipes. My goal is to come back from this trip and to not be sick. So I have hand wipes. I like the little individual packets because you can like take them out, wipe your hands and shove it back in the put it in your purse and use it again later. And then I have the bigger disinfectant wipes that can be used for the cabin a little bit for some major touch points and for the airplane, definitely for the airplane. And I'll put another packet of these in my backpack for traveling. Oh, and then I have my little like dressier purse, which in hindsight doesn't necessarily match my clothes, but we're going to go with it anyway. Our little Louis Vuitton crossbody, and it holds the things and it's very comfortable. So this is going to be the purse that comes on the trip. Oh, and I have pajamas. There was in the pile of shirts that I showed you, there was like cabin t-shirt. I do like a cabin t-shirt so I can like sit in bed and not be wearing outside the room clothes in my bed or whatever. I sleep in a t-shirt and then I have cabin shorts. Ooh, and somewhere in this pile, probably with the undergarments, is a tank top because I get so hot when I get out of the shower and I'm getting ready. So I need to have a tank top. And then I also have my away. This one is from the smaller carry-on. And this is just going to be for the dirty laundry when we're traveling, when I'm coming, like moving from place to place and coming home. And I'm actually staying in a hotel tomorrow, so I will have more dirty laundry. I will decide how many of these to bring, but I like these like little garment bags because I can also put clothes that I've worn already, like on the ship or whatever, in here. And then it's not like partially used clothes in my suit. I'm just a freak. It's fine. Don't judge. Okay. I'm also taking a few, I think I have 3. I probably need to grab one more, but Go Macro bars. These are great. They're pretty filling for me. And I have celiac disease, so it's nice to have something to eat. Like I'm not worried on the ship. I'm not going to need any food that will be extra, but travel days and things like that, I like to have a little something. I will bring my water bottle in case I decide to do a run on the cruise. I need to have a water bottle, assuming it fits in my suitcase. And then I'm not in love with this aerosol spray, but honestly, especially at a time like this, I don't have somebody to sunscreen my back necessarily. Like I'm not gonna ask my friend, will you sunscreen my back? Like, I don't know. She doesn't need to touch my back. So she can spray me though, because you're not touching me. And then I can have sunscreen. And then I bring, like this cruise is super short. If it was longer, I'd bring a bigger sunscreen, but I bring the little tiny, well, I'll just show you in a little bit, but it's like a little travel sunscreen so that you can get in like the travel section. And so I just take that. A couple of other things that'll get packed. This will be packed up with my jewelry. I got this from Disney at Animal Kingdom Lodge, and I just love this brand. Definitely can't say the name, but I love it. And so I will put my jewelry for the trip in there. This will just be a little baggie of Band-Aids. There's some safety pins in there. That was probably from a Run Disney weekend, but you know, that's fine. I have some alcohol swabs because you never know when you're going to need those. I also keep Ziploc bags to put in my suitcase. And because I have celiac disease, sometimes you need to have a snack like a muffin or something, or purse eggs. People who know me know about my purse eggs, but this will allow me to take something and carry it along from somewhere. Okay, so now we're going to see what fits in here and see how we're going to do. I still have to do my toiletries and my carry-on. I do have a little bit of time tomorrow to like finish packing, but I mean, it's 7:48 now and I'm just getting to packing. I'm a slacker, but it's okay. Oof, the suitcase is getting full very fast. We may be editing out some of what is going to be in here. This happens a lot. I'm officially full. And I still have to put my toiletries in here. Oh, what's gonna come out? Well, the outfit for the first day of the trip, because I'm staying in a hotel. Oh, and I have to put bras in here still. But the outfit for the first day, I think is coming out. And I will just put this in my backpack and then, or I will put it like on the top, but it doesn't really need a permanent home in the suitcase because I am wearing it. These slippers are definitely not making it. So the little booties are what is going to make it. It's the sneakers. The sneakers take up so much room. Yep. And the thing is, I could do without the sneakers, and I could just walk in my UFUs because I don't even know how much we're going to walk, but it's better to wear sneakers. I wish I had sneakers that could be thrown away. Maybe I'll go look for those because at least I don't have to take them off the cruise. Let me go and investigate that. Okay, so I did find shoes that I can throw away. I realized the things I have to take to Michigan with me take up so much space. It's like another pair of shoes, but the shoes take up so much space. But we did it. I packed my toiletries. I can't even show you them because, I mean, I technically can show you them, but because packing was so hard this time, but I did it. Oh, and I couldn't find my little sunscreen. So this is still little and this will be my main sunscreen. So maybe I can, the aerosol didn't even make it, nor did my water bottle. Well, those two things are not fitting in the suitcase. Maybe. Let's go see. I did it. I'll show you. I did it. It will close. It is full, but it is packed. And my toiletries are in there, and it is packed. I use these little Sephora containers for my toiletries. I haven't really separated my liquids from my makeup or liquids from non-liquids, but they're in here. I like how they're very flat. So this is all the stuff I use on the regular. And a hairbrush that is, well, let me do it. And a hairbrush that I feel like is chunky. I might take the hairbrush out of here and just shove it right here. But it's in there. Everything is in there. Yay, I can go to bed now. Okay, we did it. We're going on a cruise. It's going to be fabulous. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, if you could like this video, maybe leave a comment. Were you curious if I'd be able to make it? Did you think I was going to be able to pack it all in here? And if you haven't already, I would love if you subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye, everyone. Oh, and on your next trip, don't forget to pack your pixie dust.